Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today's recipe is one of my absolute favorite salads. I make it for myself all the time. It's packed with nutrients. So good and so simple to make. Let me show you how to, and let's get started. You'll find all the amounts to the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. I'm gonna start layering the salad. I have a mix of kale and spring mix. I add to that 2 handfuls of baby tomato, half a fennel, and I use the mandolin to slice it thinly, a quarter of a red onion, I slice it thinly as well. I cut open 1 avocado and I slice it and I add it on top of the salad. Crumble some feta cheese on top and make sure it's a creamy feta cheese. A handful of cranberries, dried cranberries. It's great with the dressing and the salad. Half a cup of pumpkin seeds. I prefer if you toast the pumpkin seeds a little bit. They're gonna become crunchier and tastier. For the dressing, you can make a very simple vinaigrette, and that's what I'm doing here. I add 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, some vinegar, some mustard, and a little bit of maple syrup or honey, whatever you like, salt and pepper. I'll leave all the amounts in the description box below. Shake, 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 and you're gonna wanna dress it just right before you wanna serve it. Add a little or a lot of dressing. You can toast some bread and make your own croutons and garnish as well. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's a simple, filling, nice fall salad. And until next time, bon appétit!